Cloves have provided natural remedies for various health issues for centuries. However, it's important to recognize that cloves may not be suitable for everyone. If you believed cloves were universally beneficial, it's time to reconsider. In this video, we'll be exploring individual who should not consuming cloves if you have these 8 symptoms. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Individuals with bleeding disorders. Individuals with bleeding disorders should exercise caution when it comes to consuming cloves due to the herb's natural anticoagulant properties. Eugenol in cloves has been found to possess blood-thinning effects. For those with bleeding disorders, where the blood's ability to clot is already compromised, ingesting clove could potentially exacerbate this condition. This means that even minor injuries or cuts may take longer to stop bleeding, posing a higher risk of excessive blood loss. Moreover, if individuals with bleeding disorders are already taking prescribed blood-thinning medications, combining them with clove could lead to an increased anticoagulant effect, potentially leading to serious health complications. Number 2. Liver condition. People with liver conditions should exercise caution when consuming cloves due to their potential impact on liver enzymes. The compound eugenol present in cloves can interact with the liver's metabolic processes. This means that for individuals with compromised liver function, the introduction of cloves in significant quantities could potentially strain an already stressed liver. This strain arises from the liver's increased effort to metabolize the compounds found in cloves. Additionally, excessive consumption of cloves may lead to an accumulation of these compounds in the liver, potentially exacerbating existing liver conditions or interfering with prescribed medications for liver health. Number 3. Gastrointestinal issues. People with gastrointestinal issues may find it advisable to exercise caution when consuming cloves due to their strong flavor and potential for irritation. For individuals with conditions like ulcers or acid reflux, the intense flavor and potential irritation from cloves may exacerbate their symptoms. The concentrated nature of clove oil, in particular, can be especially harsh on the digestive system. Additionally, the aromatic oils in cloves can stimulate the production of gastric acid, which may lead to discomfort or worsen existing gastrointestinal discomfort. This heightened gastric acid production can be problematic for those already dealing with acid-related conditions. Number 4. Pregnancy. Experts suggest that incorporating clove as a culinary spice is generally considered safe for consumption during pregnancy. This means you can confidently use it in small quantities to flavor your dishes, whether in its whole or powdered form. However, it's recommended to exercise caution when it comes to clove oil and concentrated clove supplements during pregnancy, as these may not be deemed safe and are best avoided. While consuming cloves in the context of pregnancy is not inherently harmful, seeking advice from your doctor is always a prudent step if you have any uncertainties. Number 5. Breastfeeding mothers. For breastfeeding mothers, the consideration is slightly different. When consumed, clove oil in large quantities or in highly concentrated form has the potential to pass into breast milk. This can sometimes lead to discomfort or allergic reactions in nursing infants. It's worth noting that the research on this topic is limited, but it's advisable for breastfeeding mothers to be mindful of their clove consumption and to monitor their baby for any signs of sensitivity or discomfort. If there are concerns, consulting with a healthcare provider is always a prudent course of action. Number 6. Allergies reaction. People with allergies should exercise caution when it comes to consuming cloves due to the potential for allergic reactions. Cloves belong to a botanical family that includes other spices like cinnamon and bay leaves. This family of plants contains compounds that can trigger allergic responses in sensitive individuals. For some people, exposure to cloves or related substances can lead to symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, and swelling. In more severe cases, ingestion of cloves could result in respiratory issues like difficulty breathing or even anaphylaxis, a life-threatening allergic reaction. It's worth noting that allergies to spices like cloves are relatively uncommon, but they can occur, especially in individuals who already have known allergies to other plants in the same family. Number 7. Mouth sensitivity. When dried cloves are used inside the mouth, it can lead to a range of undesirable effects. The texture of dried cloves can be abrasive, potentially causing irritation to the delicate tissues in the mouth. This irritation may manifest as a heightened sensitivity, making it uncomfortable for individuals. Moreover, the abrasive nature of dried cloves can lead to damage to the dental tissues. This can include abrasions on the gums and potentially even on the enamel of the teeth. This damage could exacerbate existing dental issues or create new ones. Number 8. Other medication concern. Eugenol has anticoagulant properties, meaning it can thin the blood. Therefore, individuals who are already on blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin or aspirin, should be particularly mindful. Combining these medications with the potent effects of cloves could potentially lead to excessive thinning of the blood, which may result in increased risk of bleeding or bruising. Additionally, eugenol may also affect liver enzymes that are involved in metabolizing certain drugs. This means that for individuals taking medications that are processed by the liver, like some statins or antiarrhythmic drugs, there could be a potential for altered effectiveness or increased side effects. And that's the end of the video. As always, if you have any health concerns, it's essential to seek advice from a professional healthcare provider. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.